This biodegradable pad has a disadvantage also. My best friend Ian and I have tested it, and we have no shame in doing this because we have a mother, sister, and a wife to be. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that lady who is breaking all the taboos and working towards an eco-friendly solution. Yes, she is no other than Padwoman of Goa, Jayashree Parwar. Jayashree was born in Karwar, Karnataka. She did her education till first standard and 4 days of second standard. Because she was also the victim of the mentality, why educate girl child? One day she has to go to husband's house and wash utensils only. Talking about Jayashree's cute love story, she fell in love with a Goan boy. And here the problem was, used to write love letters in Marathi and she knew only Kannada. So she bought Kannada Marathi dictionary and learned Marathi all by herself just to read those love letters. After marriage, Jayashree was a daughter-in-law of Pilgao village which was in Goa. That time she was introduced to the self-help group concept and she decided to be a member. Attending one of the self-help group meetings, she came across the information that there is a person called Dr. Shubho Naik who has a machine which makes pad and is offering the machine free with 200 kg of raw material. Dr. Shubho had one condition, that if Jayashree finishes the 200 kg raw material within 1 year, the machinery is free of cost to her. And he also gave her one piece of advice, that the same machine was taken by one group of women, but due to their internal fights, the machine has returned back. This is the same machine which is invented by Sir Murugunatham, the Padman of India on whom the movie Padman is based on. All the raw materials which Jayashree gets are tested and sent by same Sir Murugunatham organization from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. After successful training, Jayashree was able to arrange 3 more ladies and start with the production. As shown in the Padman movie, production was not the problem, sale was the problem. To sell the pads, Jayashree will put stalls at Lokutsav and other festivals. People will turn their way looking at her stall. However, Jayashree was able to finish the 200 kg raw material within 1 year. Interesting part here is, she gets more orders from outside the state and huge orders like 1 lakh to 2 lakh pads, but due to their limited capacity of production, she can't fulfill huge orders. Why biodegradable pad? Because it takes 8 days to decompose it. Whereas the normal pad which is made of chemicals, it takes 500 to 800 years to decompose it. This biodegradable pad has a disadvantage also. My best friend Ian and I have tested it, and we have no shame in doing this because we have a mother, sister, and a wife to be. The problem which we discovered, there is a similar review about that by one of Jayashree's customers on Amazon. I would like to read that. I have been using Saki sanitary pads for past 4 years. Pros, you can read that. Cons, it doesn't handle heavy flow as well as commercial pad. Solution, on the days I have heavy flow, I use a commercial brand like Whisper. All other days I use Saki. This has worked great. I am comfortable on heavy flow days. I don't get rashes because I mostly use Saki. As on today, Jayashree has sold more than 1 lakh pads. They have 2 types of variety. One is Saki, which is 100% biodegradable, and URVI, which has wings and 2% plastic and operated under the brand Ubuntu Foundation. Here is a small message from Jayashree.
अशें आपोवपाकडे शिक्षण ना बाबा हें जावचें ना भंय दिसता अशें चिंतूंक जायना म्हणून हांव बायलांक मातशें दिवंक सोदता की तुमी कितें ना कितें करा फुडें सरा सगळें जातलें फक्त डेरिंग करपाक जाय.
Jayashree loves exploring and now she has started with soap making, papad and other food items. So this was the story of Padwoman of Goa. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. तुझ्या लागीं घोट्टा जाल्यार उपकार करूंक जाय तेका तो करिनासतना रावूं नाका. But due to their capacity, but due to their limited capacity of production, she can't fulfill huge